Good morning class. Now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 20, mensuration from R.S. Agarwal. Class, you are already aware about the closed figure, open figure, simple figure like square, rectangle, triangle and its area and perimeter in standard 6. In this class 7, we will learn some more types of two-dimensional figures, some types of quadrilateral like trapezium, parallelogram. There are various types of questions on basis on their area and perimeter. Class, before doing this chapter, you must aware about this conversion of units. Like 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. You have to learn this table. This table is in your RS book. You have to learn this table. We will do these conversions for solving our questions in respective chapters, and it's exercise 20 A, B, C, so on. Class, let us have a review for this. You are already aware area of rectangle is length into breadth, square unit. Then from this formula, if you have to find out length, we will divide area by breadth. If you have to find out breadth, then area by length. Perimeter, you are already aware, 2 into length less breadth. And what about diagonal? Diagonal is root L square plus B square unit. L is here length and B is here breadth. This formula is derived from by Pythagoras theorem. You can see in rectangle this one is right angle. Then AC square is equal to L square plus B square length square plus breadth square. Then AC is equal to square root of L square plus B square. Similarly, area of 4 walls, 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B into H. Diagonal of the room, that is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Then what about the area and perimeter of a square? Area of square can be found if side of area is side of square is given, then area is side square, that is A square unit. If diagonals are given, then for finding the area of square, we will use this formula 1 by 2 diagonal square unit. Getting? Side of square is square root of area. Diagonal of the square is root 2a. And what about the perimeter? That is 4 into side, which we have already done in standard 6. Now we'll solve problem based on mensuration. Let us start our first exercise 20a, in which in first question we have to find out the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are given. Yes class. First question, length is given 24.5 meter, breadth of area rectangle is given 18 meter. Area you are aware, length into breadth unit square. Now in this question, 24.5 into 18 meter square, because both are in meter. The product is 441.0. We will write it as 441 meter square. Similarly, in second question, you can see length and breadth are not of same unit. Length is 12.5 meter and breadth is given as 8 decimeter. You can see 8 decimeter. First, we will change the unit. Both are in either meter or either decimeter. Only then you are able to solve. Length is gives this one. Now breadth. We'll change the breadth. Yes, 8 dm. How much? You must aware from the table, you are already aware that 1 meter is 10 decimeter. See class, 1 meter is how much? 10 decimeter. Then 1 by 10 meter is 1 decimeter. You can see 1 decimeter is 1 by 10 meter. You have to change decimeter in meter, so we'll divide by 10. Here it is 8 decimeter, then it is equal to 8 by 10 meter. You can see 1 decimeter is 1 by 10 meter, then 8 decimeter is 8 by 10 meter. That is 0.8 meter. Length is given, breadth is given. Then area, that is length into breadth. How much? Length into breadth unit square. Yes. 12.5 multiply by 0.8 meter square, that is equal to 10.00 meter square. that is equal to 10 meters square. This is your answer. Okay class? Yes, tell me, here it is 10 or 100. See how to multiply 125 by 10 into 8 by 10. 125 into 10, that is 1000. Then 1000 by 100, how much? 10 meters square. Okay class, now have a look for the next question. In second question, we have given measure of one side and one diagonal of rectangle. We have to find out other side. Let us consider this one ABCD as rectangle ABCD. Let AB is equal to 48 meter, which is given, and let, because both diagonal are of same measure, let diagonal AC measure is 50 meter. We have to find out other side. Let us take it as BC as X, which we have to find out. Now you are already aware this is a right angle triangle, and by Pythagoras you must aware that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. We have to find out BC square, then BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. That is equal to 50 meter square minus 48 meter square. Yes, A plus B into A minus B. You are aware of this unit or not? This identity. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. We will use this identity, or you can solve it directly by multiplication. 50 into 50. You will find first 50 square, then 48 square, then subtract, or either you can use this identity also. We will add both of these, we'll get 98 meter, and when we'll subtract, we will get it as 2 meter, and their product is 196 meter. That is BC square, or you can say X square. X square is equal to 14 meter square. We'll find its square root. Then X is equal to how much? 14 meter. Now we have to find out the area of given rectangle. That area is equal to how much? Length into breadth. Breadth we have already, length we have already given, and breadth we have find out. That is L into B unit square. Yes, how much? 48 into 14 meter square. That is equal to 48 into 14, that is equal to 672 meter square. Okay class, similarly you can see in question number 3, side of rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3. So we'll take length as 4x, breadth as 3x. Area is given, their product will put it is equal to 1728 meters square. Then we will eliminate our x, and then we can find our both side dimensions, length and breadth. Then we have to find out the cost of fencing. For fencing we are required perimeter. We are having length, we are having breadth. First we will find their perimeter and then cost of fencing. You will try it yourself. Okay class, question number 4 onwards we will do in our next video. Okay class.